Your attention span didn't break. You trained it to fail. Every scroll, every quick switch, every time you got bored and escaped. You taught your brain focus isn't necessary, and now it believes you. Think about this. You sit down to work, open one tab, then another. 2 minutes later, you're not working. You're wandering. Not because you're lazy, because your brain is overloaded. Right now, your mind is like a browser with 50 tabs open. Nothing crashes, but nothing runs properly either. And if you don't fix this, focus won't just feel hard, it will feel impossible. So here's how you take it back. But understand this first, it will feel uncomfortable. Good, that means it's working. Step 1, face your reality. Set a timer, one task. No switching. When you break, that's your current limit, not your potential, your training. And most people avoid this because truth exposes weakness, but it also shows the way out. Now, step 2, remove the easy escape. Your environment is not neutral. It's designed to steal your attention. So fight back, phone away, notifications off, one tab only. Make distraction harder, and focus becomes natural. Now the hardest part, step 3, do nothing. No music. No scrolling, no stimulation. Just sit. Your brain will panic. It will itch for input. That's not boredom, that's withdrawal. Stay there, because on the other side of that silence, your focus rebuilds itself. And finally, step 4, train it daily. Short sessions, full focus. Repeat, because attention isn't something you have, it's something you practice. And here's the truth most people ignore. You don't lose focus in one day, you lose it in small moments. So you rebuild it the same way, one decision at a time. Because if you don't control your attention, something else will.